Hello everyone, welcome to Vortic. Today, we gonna unbox the best value ultrawide gaming monitor PRISM X340 Pro 165Hz. PRISM Plus is a Singaporean brand known around the region for doling out impressive monitors that are serious bang for your buck. Their new X340 Pro 165Hz curved ultrawide gaming monitor is no different thanks to its plentiful features. It's a monitor you should get for gaming, especially if you're into single players. If you don't mind playing at 21:9 aspect ratio, then esports titles work a treat as well thanks to the 165Hz refresh rate. It's great for productivity thanks to its size, and it's relatively easy to set up and move around. Content consumption is its weakest point if you don't like seeing black bars when watching 16:9 content. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more future contents.